The legendary Baba Mtetwa, the voice of football. Baba Mtetwa, where passion meets perseverance, every story comes alive.
Right. Hey, good morning, football fans, and how are you? It's a good Monday. Sun is shining because you know what? Big teams won over the weekend. By big teams, I mean teams that have qualified for the finals. Against all odds, we know Pirates did the business. Unfortunately, it's not everybody who can play in the top 8 or MTN 8 for that matter. Some people do qualify, some not, some don't qualify. And if you do qualify, it's not because of luck, it's because you deserved it. Now, we need to discuss a few things for today. Good afternoon and welcome. It's me, Baba Mtetwa, the president. Yeah, Mungaschaba. We're live on TikTok and also on Omni Audio Africa, as usual on a Monday from 12 o'clock, but we're a bit late today. We apologize. We had some other work to do today. So, but let's start. I think most of you know that the MTN8 is one of the longest running tournaments in South Africa. Started in the 70s, it's over 50 years old, and Pirates has been there from the beginning. The first team to win it, and the first team to win it back to back. Now they've made a history by winning it 3 times in a row. Now they want another history to win it 4 times in a row. No team has ever done that before. So what it means is that football has evolved in South Africa. Who would have thought that probably one team would win one trophy so many times? Besides Chiefs winning the Wizard, has been spectacular. About 7 times before anyone could win it. That was a charity cup. Now we're talking about cup that is there for all teams to play for, not a certain number of teams. On Saturday, we know that Pirates came against Sundowns. It's foregone history now. But we need to talk about certain aspects of the football match that happened on Saturday. But for me to do that, I'm going to ask you to come along and let's do this thing. So I'm going to open the lines like we always do. We're live on Omni Audio Africa and on TikTok, Baba Mtetwa 8. So join me if you feel that you can add something to our discussion for today. So you can either join us via Omni Audio Africa, or you can join us via my TikTok, which is Baba Mtetwa 8 on TikTok. So I always say, on my life, we're all equals because we all love football and we are football and football is us. So for that reason, never ever come to this life and think that your opinion is better than anyone's. That's not how we operate here. Hence, I always say, we respect everyone's opinion and we try to make sure that we engage as much as we can to make sure that everybody in this life is satisfied. But remember, you can never satisfy everybody. Bratsepo, how are you?
Dumelang ntate president le kae?
I'm all right, sir.
Ho monate ntate.
Bontswalla hanyane sa kenya ba bang.
Bothata ha boyo ntate.
Nyane fela. Okay. Donald, how are you?
Ya ke shapo Baba Mtetwa wena.
Thank you, sir. Kopa tshwara hanyane ke a khutla ona jwale tjena. Sa kenya ba bang mona.
Hola.
Anginat. Inik ki enik kapa MQ
MQ
the guy mre
Ndad.
waphila
Ngitshela kana Mtetwa.
ke phetse tatu wa ka hanyane fela
Iphetse wena Ndad.
ke a phela ke a tla ho wena hanyanyana fela ke sa kenya ba bang he ni tswalle ha o mona tle tsebo o tlotlana ka majwe hantle. Okay. ke nana ba ba tla re thola tseleng re save nako ka ha ngata haholo dumelang kaofela bra Tshepo ntate Hlokoloza welcome back Hlokoloza MQ Lwena Donald dumelang kaofela. All right, we start with what happened ka Saturday. Saturday we had the semi-finals second leg Pirates, the Sundowns and Sekhukhune and Stellenbosch. Let's start in Polokwane. Did any one of you watch both games or maybe only one game? Let's determine that first. Donald, did you watch the game ya Sekhukhune le Stellenbosch?
hayi akayibona ntate ke which ya Pirates le Sundowns.
All right, ke a tla wena. Ke mana shebile game ya Stellenbosch le Sekhukhune. Re fitise.
Atjhe ka isheba le nna ntate
Wena
president.
o no utlwe bohloko ke a tsa ba no jue tla tswa sa shebellang bolo ya Sekhukhune le Stellenbosch bra Tshepo ke a tseba pelo ine o tla fast. Anyway. All right guys, ntate Hlokoloza. How sheba game ya Pirates le Sundowns? Re tlole game ya Sekhukhune re tla bona ona jwa moment. How sheba game ya Pirates le Sundowns? Ho ya ka wena ke eng e bileng phapang e kgolo pakeng tsa team tse pedi Pirates le Sundowns ka Moqebelo?
Baba Mthethwa o ya ka nna game ena man ish ne ke na le dintho tse kgolo dintho expectation tsa game mara game eo ya ka nna ntho ne le dintho di coach di two ne di tlile ntho papading di planne ntho mapeleng a mang o tshwana le Tebo Mokoena gaming ya Moqebelo ha azange papala le ntho le sape ya maswanga e le ona ile ya tjhentjha game haholo bane coach ile a isa sebelebele pele
So ho ya ka wena game e tshetshelwe keng?
game tjhentjhwe ke sape ya Shandu a sebelebele a sa ya pele le Pirates ile ya phaka midfield ile itisa Mokoena azange khona bapala bolo hantle le Marcelo Allende azange khona bapala bolo.
All right, ha utlwe bra Tshepo ke le Sundowns wa raba ntho ke tang o ibua bra Tshepo nako e bantshang maswanganye ba kenya Shandu e lokolotse sebelebele hore abe more offensive wa attacker Sundowns. Wena jwalo ka Sundowns ke eng o bona mohlomong halakala etsa right kana o ke Pirates etsang sapeo ya Shandu?
Ke leboha sebaka ke dumedise kaofela motho Prathemba everyone on the panel. Hey ntate Mthethwa wa tseba e bile wrong mono because ke nahana hore le Mokoena o ile a be le go bapala so deep as a defender as well. Bese it change the momentum. Mara ke nahana ntho e kgolo e entseng phapang ke substitution ya ntate wa rona le ntate Khaluso because Pirates la fumana matla haholo after hore antshe ntate Matthews ya be ile hore le sebelebele o fumana a momentum ya hore a press haholo and then hape le Maseko ke nahana ola monga amulea bapala ese right wing and ke nahana hore it was very late ke nahana mohlomong ka ba monkila mo busetsa positioning yane mona le teng ntate Matthews mohlomong ka be re sa bona mobility e kalo ena na le yona ntate Sebelebele ke nahana ke yona phapang e kgolo ya di substitution mara di goalkeeper bobedi ba tsona they were just good for the day.
Raymond ke kopa kwa le speaker kopa kwa le microphone kwa la microphone tate Raymond. ntate ba ka shekule ha khona ba sokodisa
ya kukwetso wa kana
ke a o ntsha ntate ha o sa batlo kwala microphone ke a o ntsha ba re batla utlwa batho ba bang ha ba bua Tshepo ha qetelle taba ka lwena so ho ya ka wena Sundowns ha ya ka kgona blocka Pirates in the middle. Pirates in the middle inena le Nduli le Mbatha kere le mang hape.
Yes.
Ele bantsha
Ne le Nduli le Tito ba le ba montsha
so ho ya ka wena
Yeah,
no
so-
ba kwale di channel ka ba kwale wing.
I think a wing it was more of a problem ho rona because Sebelebele o la qala jwale aba le mo mobediti sa ya pele haholo after Rometusi ba montshe so ke nahana re mohlomong Maseko ka ba monkile a mo khutisetsa in the same position because o kgona ho bapala left and right so ke nahana phoso e bile mono be le hore ba kgona ho penetrate on the right hand on the right hand side
but Maseko is not defensive.
Yeah.
He's more of an offensive player than defensive. If you come Maseko miss in a defensive position, you are actually causing more problems than anything else. Unlike Sibilibili, who can play as a right back, a Matang, and also as a right wing. Because our Pirates have 3-5-2. Ineba Hoto, Bogazi, and Sibilibili ka writing. Because how na natural right back ya Pirates in Nepal. Van Rooyen ne ula le mala lebitso ntsa le metsi la bona munyane o tsamaile babo so ha usana like a natural right back e leng teng no ntle le haebe mhlomong ba compromise somebody somewhere but Russia Pirates Mbogazi is left footed Hoto is left footed babo Sebelebele ke ena a right footed but we are high peel help Pirates re Shandu a khona ho thola space ya bapala 3-5-2 ya bona ba bapala hantle ile easy nyana ho feta mo mara ne fa Sebelebele chance ya hore a epile so potso ka wena ke hore ku tlo bua ka Mokoena I bolo e dlala ka mo wing who was supposed to block out mfano Sebelebele one le ka first leg Sebelebele na tsana le one way ha equalizer FNB at Orlando Stadium Sebelebele na makwe ke Divine Lunga and again let's a mistake Divine Lunga ka first leg ha tla equalizer ba 1-1 yet again why Sundowns Nesnam at trackang Sebelebele knowing hore Sebelebele is very elusive like Pirates had Mbogazi on Rangers knowing that Rangers is very dodgy because TV easy but he slipped once and scored after that never got a chance again because Bamlezi Mbogazi Bari mark him out of the game and he had to do that second time Rangers slipped again from Mbogazi ashapa bola ashapa pala so ke le ka hore wena ke le ka o bontsha hore right hand side ya Pirates left hand side ya Sundowns one was functional one was dysfunctional so the dysfunctional one allowed Pirates to play better but the goal ya Pirates didn't come from the right came from the left that cross ya Police was from the left which means that's the right side of Sundowns yam Dunyel the cross came from there yatlola everybody yafumana Mabasa I hitela fatshe and then eventually it was a goal ara khutela morao hanyana ke tlo botsa Brathemba o jwang
dumelang le ka president
sharp itse ga re ka o sheba ka khiso Saturday don't die kapa ke tsebe no so thabile haholo kapa o tlile bohloko o tlo fela o la dithunya ka si ka Saturday si ka gae aksan no mo ba di si tlo la dithunya ka si ka ga Saturday e tsamaye ke haka I caught
and
yeah I noticed like ka simo you saw the game
Yeah,
the stadium when and
yes
what was the difference between the two teams? I asked Tepo the same question, same question. According to you, what was different?
okay when Pirates started they had a plan which was okay let's absorb whatever pressure we get from Sundowns. They did that and then I don't know was the game plan Tito abe just nje around Mokoena or Mokoena ska kgona ho bapala or what, but did a good job for me for the first 20 minutes because Mokoena nasa bonahale up until Bamonta, of which that's when Pirates started to play. Aba introduce Shandu and then Sebelebele aya go his natural position. And then when Relay started playing go centrally as your number 10, that's when Pirates started to pose some threat in the first half. And then the defense side, yeah, Pirates, we also the communication between Siema and Mbogazi, somehow it lacks. It was questionable. It was very questionable because there were times whereby you find Siema Olateletse Mbogazi. There's no cover to your...
Don't you think Siema relies more on Mbogazi? Mutusa all the time.
He does. He does.
So just to justify what you are saying.
He's always shadowing him. Yes.
Because
I feel okay.
Yeah, all right. Hangata ngona atlaka mrahai hangata. Or I melaena ibe na cover defense ya high. But timing wise,
yes.
Una le biterinyana ka game mobile.
No, he can read the game even though he has the mistaking because if you find teams feeling they're gonna capitalize the mistakes that's okay. Now we're gonna overload one side, then we overload that side. Counter pressure roller. But now I feel they should just work on their communication and positioning. Baba too. Then my other issue, Hoto. I can't say what's happening there these days. There's a time where who's this boy Masego? He took him on, and then Mbogazi came. Amokava.
Mbogazi covers everybody. Everybody Mbogazi covers everybody.
Yeah, that boy is a workhorse. He's a workhorse. So you find Mbogazi Kavile Hoto instead of I look cover that position Mbogazi. Instead YM Oshebella Mbogazi. If Sundowns managed to Masego Polo Eli I win, then they had numbers. Numerical numbers against Pirates boxing. That was gonna be surely a goal, because now you have your center back. It's really your left back. Cover your center back. So it's just those things. Okay, now if this one goes, you cover his space, which is just a basic thing that you do as a soccer player. That's what you get taught from development.
All right. Donald. Naha ke sheba. O ka ntate?
Ke teng o ka ntate?
Ya phe. Wena maikutlo ke a feng ha o sheba papadi ya Saturday King? What caught your eye ka Saturday?
Ya ntwe ke lebeletseng Baba Mthethwa Sundowns ile mola ka aim ya hore yona hawa. He's no kora one goal so mara I win. Wa ibona ka baka la hore the way ne dala ka ona e dalile pila for 30 minutes e dalile pila ka hore o tshwana kana le motho o tshwana kana ba re ke mang o a Pirates ba mo ntshitjang ka pela ba re ke mang Tito wa bona Tito ya na se gona mo bolong a se gona total wa ibona plan ya Sundowns ne no ba o tswalla Midfield go Allende ne ba tetlalla ba le one then wata mo le re coach ya Pirates ke yona e planang o tsentsha Shandu a ro tsentsha Shandu at least Pirates a thoma o raloka then Sundowns ndwene e dirile ne tshwantse ba rele o bona Reynolds a sa bona after scorer ne tshwantse me ba montshitse ba faile Shalule a ke itse re why ba sa lokele Shalule ka re ke ena ba korela mo Sundowns
I think right ka ka taba ya Shalulile because ke ipotsa potso e le nngwe le naona hobaneng Shalulile ba sa mo dladisi and a prolific goal scorer. Sundowns needed somebody who could also take advantage of Uleka Pirates Komorao, especially playing Bogazi and Kimamfanu Siema together in a big cup game like this one, away from home. So Sundowns did not capitalize on that. They should have capitalized on that by using two strong strikers in terms of scoring goals. Strong, not physical strength, but in terms of being prolific goal scorers, like use Ikram Reyners and Shalulile at the same time. You still have Sales, you still have Matthews. But I think Matthews was probably a turning point gaming. Ricky Butsaba Nabaring and Tatedwan Kakawen. Kibang Kubu, Ulan Kubu.
Ntate Mthethwa re teng le kae lo?
Ke a phela ntho ka metsing.
Ya man. Nna TV ya ka e senyehile ke mametse o lona. Ka utlwa ho thwe ha e khona. O no le boima hampe. TV ya ka e senyehile.
Ya hao ke efeng?
Ya ka ke Kaizer Chiefs ntate ke bafana ba phefeng.
Re atla ho yona hona jwale tjena o ska ba tsa madula hona mo ke atla. Papa Mang, a ke bone ke Papa Mang o
Paparu Baba Mthethwa.
Hello Paparu, how are you?
Paparu Baba Mthethwa mute spamsenyoni tu bula makasini sa fendla nna ke emetse sa Chiefs a ke batlo kena taba tsa batho ba bangwe ka ke le khosi ntate na o ya cruising nice le re ke emele ba bangwe
Paka mo re atla wena paka mo re atla Rasnich, how are you?
Danke Baba Mthethwa.
Thank you sir. Rasnich, how are you?
Good day, Baba Mthethwa.
How are you that day?
Yeah, nakile 2K kilo Buccaneer.
La. O Coco Melon.
I think Coco Melon kept him at 2K.
Okay. Nna ke botsa hore na wena he ha o sheba di Coco Melon tsa Pirates papading ya Saturday. How much influence did they have on the game?
I think bo Mofokeng mostly bana shapa Mamelodi Sundowns ka quick feed ba fina ha o fana bana. But la ba shapa most of the time re shapa Sundowns ka pace.
Always.
Yeah. Mostly I can check. I can check a defense as Sundowns. Ka o fela ba bona ko morago ba slow. So most of the time Pirates ba capitalize on twenyewa and quick transition. So ba la ba shapa Sundowns ka one fela always.
No, I think I agree with you. Pirates got pacey. The last season, it was the same thing. Last season, Pirates used a lot of pace to outclass teams in Ata. But how about our team in a defender? Last season, and Pirates go Orlando. It was difficult to penetrate that defense. And also, Hanbakhulwaki, Cape Town City, Hanbakhulwaki, Stellenbosch, Hanbakhulwaki, Marumo Gallants, Bloemfontein. Those 12 points cost Pirates the league last season. If Pirates had won those 4 games, they would win the league. It won't be easy to Tiba Pirates class beat sound. So Sundowns, Ratswa defense is very slow. And not even one player who Sundowns single pace in clearly and divine Ali one is better than the rest. But also pace Pirates, you've got Mofokeng, you've got Hoto, you've got Sibilibili, you've got Muremi, Bamata, clearly midfield, whereby you've got Nduli, very solid box to box, Mbata, you can kick from far, and Warra happen Mbata. Tito Maswanga, you can slow down the game, Mbuli, who can slow down the pace of game, because if Sundowns was playing too fast, Mbuli was there to slow down the game. So Pirates has got many variables in its team, but the question is, how do you use them? How do you use them? To me says, versus Pyramids, Stellenbosch, Pirates, and Magesi. Yeah, things like those. And what will happen? Pirates play better when they're coming from a back foot. When they're coming from behind, Pirates will have the ball. But when they lead first, but will consider, we know. It's better if Pirates, then Pirates will have the ball. From long, there's always been in trouble. From long time ago. Bona Pirates had a double treble appeal. Two. ka bo 91 minutes ai o no tseba ra khona mbo ke mang Mbuyane Chansa yo kana kweo Pirates was something else. 85 minutes we akwa unojua inotloja Pirates was still on the pace ya Pirates ntate for hlokoloza ndolte oh yeah ke batla o tseba hore na ho ya ka wena o sheba pace ya Pirates e affectile Sundowns jwang
pace ya Pirates o ya kana e affectile ka hore di-defender tsa ntho tsa Sundowns di slow too much and Sundowns e athira ka dintho e athira ka di win back haholo so e siya di-defender tse two di slow Cupido Cupido Kekana but slow too much.
No, whether you play Kekana, whether you play Kimango Muhana wa Velcom, Libusa, ba tshwana kaofela.
Pace ya police azang bantu ba khona we handle hantle. Bane ke mang Sundowns a tshira ka di Winnipeg ka ntho ka di Winnipeg haholo.
So at any given time Pirates I sebisa speed sa yona itlo hlola whatever happens.
Yona vele jwalo no ban a police matha pace ayo too much lisibelebele a lisibelebele we direct I khoni ngena wa direct here
somebody mo kitumi are a police hana pace a ke sure ke understand na o bua ka ntate wa ka are a police hana pace a police national pace a police wa matha ntate
ke kopa e araba yo
ke arabe
ke kopa e araba Lena on Saturday he was suspect when it comes to pace because you would find the center back tsa Sundowns di fihla pele ko bolong before yen. And then I was asking myself for Khanto what happened to pace this boy.
And second half
I'm definitely sure second half how do I put it? Sundowns as you all said hore Pirates use their pace. Midfield ya Sundowns sign a pace. Baba itu. Then my other issue ke Hoto. I can say Hoto what's happening these days. There's a time where who's this boy Masego? He took him on and then Mbogazi came amokava.
Mbogazi covers everybody. Everybody Mbogazi covers everybody.
Yeah, that boy is a workhorse. He's a workhorse. So you find Mbogazi Kavile Hoto instead of I look cover that position Mbogazi. Instead why am Oshebella Mbogazi. If Sundowns managed to Masego Polo Eli I win, then they had numbers, numerical numbers against Pirates boxing. That was gonna be surely a goal. Because now you have your center back, it's really your left back, cover your center back, So it's just those things. Okay, now if this one goes, you cover his space, which is just a basic thing that you do as a soccer player. That's what you get taught from development.
All right. Donald. Sheba. Ukaendat. When am I good luck thing how Sheba Papadia Saturday King? What caught your eye Saturday?
Yeah, Enrique Liberating Babam Tetra Sundowns ile mola ka aim ya hore yona hawa. He's no kora one goal Somara you win. Wa ibona. Ka baka la hore the way le dala ka ona e dalile pila for 30 minutes e dalile pila ka hore o tshwana kana le motho o tshwana kana ba re ke mang o Pirates ba mo ntshitse nga pela ba re ke mang Tito wa bona Tito ya na se gona mo bolong a se gona total wa ibona plan ya Sundowns ne no ba o tswalla midfield go Allende ne ba tla ba le one then wa tla mo e le gore coach ya Pirates ke yone e planang o tsentsha Shandu a ro tsentsha Shandu at least Pirates a thoma o raloka then Sundowns ntwe ne e dire tshwantse e dirile ne tshwantse ba rile o bona gore Reynolds a sa bona after o scorer ne tshwantse me ba montshitse ba fa ke Shalulile a ke itse gore why ba sa lokele Shalulile ka re ke ena ba korela mo Sundowns.
I think right ka taba ya Shalulile because ke ipotsa potso e le nngwe le naona hobaneng Shalulile ba sa modlalisi and a prolific goal scorer. Sundowns needed somebody who could also take advantage of Uleka Pirates Komorao, especially playing Bogazi and Kimamfanumu Siema together in a big cup game like this one away from home. So Sundowns did not capitalize on that. They should have capitalized on that by using two strong strikers in terms of scoring goals. Strong, not physical strength, but in terms of being prolific goal scorers, like use Ikram Reyners and Shalulile at the same time. You still have Sales, you still have Matthews. But I think Matthews was probably a turning point gaming. Ricky Butaba Nabaring and Tattuan Kakawen. Kibang Kubu, Ulan Kubu.
Ntate Mthethwa re teng le kae lo?
Ke a phela ntho ka metsing.
Ya man. Nna TV ya ka e senyehile ke mametse o lona. Ka utlwa o ai khona. O no le boima hampe. TV ya ka e senyehile.
Ya o ke feng?
Ya ka ke Kaizer Chiefs ntate ke bafana ba phefeng.
Re atla ho yona hona jwale tjena o ska ba tsa madula hona mo ke atla. Papa Mang, a ke bone ke Papa Mang o
Paparu baba Mthethwa.
Hello Paparu, how are you?
Paparu baba Mthethwa mute Spamsenyoni. Tu bula makasini sa fendla nna ke emetse sa Chiefs a ke batlo kena taba tsa batho ba bangwe. Ha ke le khosi ntate na o ya cruising nice le re ke emele ba bangwe.
Baka mo re atla wena, baka mo re atla. Rasnich, how are you?
Danke baba Mthethwa.
Thank you sir. Rasnich, how are you?
Good day, Baba Mthethwa.
How are you today?
Yeah, nakile 2K kilo Buccaneer.
La. Yeah. Coco Melon.
I think Coco Melon kept him 2K.
Okay. Naki butsa na wena he how sheba the Coco Melon tsa Pirates papading ya Saturday. How much influence did they have on the game?
I think bo Mofokeng mostly bana shapa Mamelodi Sundowns ka quick feed ba fina ha fana bana ba dula ba shapa most of the time re dula re shapa Sundowns ka pace
always
mostly I ke check defense ya Sundowns ka ofela ba bona ko morago ba slow so most of the time Pirates ba capitalize mo ntweng yewa and quick transaction so ba dula ba shapa Sundowns ka P1 fela always.
No, I think I agree with you. Pirates got pacey. Last season, it was the same thing. Last season, Pirates used a lot of pace to outclass team in Ngata. But how about our team in a defender? Last season, and Pirates go Orlando. It was difficult to penetrate that defense. And also, Hanbakhulwaki, Cape Town City, Hanbakhulwaki, Stellenbosch, Hanbakhulwaki, Marumo Gallants, Bloemfontein. Those 12 points cost Pirates the league last season. If Pirates had won those 4 games, they would win the league. It won't be easy to Chiba Pirates class speed sound. So Sundowns, Ratsba defense is very slow. And not even one player for Sundowns singing pace. And clearly Divine Ali one is better than the rest. But also pace Pirates, you've got Mofokeng, you've got Hoto, you've got Sibilibili, you've got Muremi, Bamata, clearly midfield, whereby you've got Nduli, very solid box to box, Mbata, you can kick from far, and Warra happen Mbata. Tito Maswanga, you can slow down the game, Mbuli, who can slow down the pace of game, because if Sundowns was playing too fast, Mbuli was there to slow down the game. So Pirates has got many variables in its team, but the question is, how do you use them? How do you use them? To me says versus Pyramids, Stellenbosch, Pirates, and Magesi. Things like those. And what happened? Pirates play better when they come in from a back foot. When they come in from behind, Pirates will dlala ball. But when they lead first, that will consider, we know. It's better if Pirates then Pirates will dlala ball. From long, there's always been in trouble. From long time ago. Bona Pirates are a double treble appeal. Level 2. About 91 minutes. I know it's about right corner. Kima Mbuyani. Chansa. Yo, kana kwe. Pirates was something else. 85 minutes we are unojua. Inotoja Pirates. Was still on the pace of Pirates. That for Hlokoloza. Oh yeah. Yeah. Kiba tautseba now we are ka wena o sheba pace ya Pirates e affected Sundowns jwang.
Pace ya Pirates o ya kana e affectile ka hore di defender tsa ntho tsa Sundowns di slow too much. And Sundowns e athira ka dintho e athira ka di win back hole. So it's here defender tse di tshudi di slow. Cupido le man Cupido le Kekana but slow too much.
No, whether you play Kekana, whether you play Kimango Muhana wa Velcom, Libusa, ba tshwana kaofela.
Pace ya police azang bantu ba khona we handle hantle. Bane ke mang Sundowns a tshira ka di win back ka ntho ka di win back haholo.
So at any given time Pirates I sebisa speed sa ona itlo hlola whatever happens.
Yona vele jwalo no ban a police matter pace hayo too much. Lisibelebele a lisibelebele we are direct I khoni ngena we direct here.
Somebody more kitumi are a policy hana pace. A kisho ke understand na o bua ka. That work are a policy hana pace. A policy no pace. A police wa matha that.
Ke kopa e araba yo.
Yeah. Arabe
Ke kopa e araba. Lena on Saturday he was suspect when it comes to pace because you would find the center back tsa Sundowns di fihla pele ko bolong before yena. And then I was asking myself for Khanto what happened to pace this boy.
And second half
I'm definitely sure. Second half how do I put it? Sundowns as you all said, Hore Pirates use their pace. Midfield their Sundowns sign a pace. Understand? Their central midfielders, they don't have pace. Now, Pirates, what they do, they take the ball from the defense to the flanks. From the flanks, by Khutlisetsa ka mohare, whereby you have Mofokeng playing the ball wide, so that now Sebatene Transbatene Bashebekwa happy parents are born, of which it's costly kobon. It was gonna be costly because Sundowns to a point where Kamile ba chase now, and Pirates is quick. That's why on second half he was a little better. A policy. That's why I believe better, and then he could give us that assist.
All right, thank you very much. Just out of interest, was there anyone unhappy that Maswanganyi was substituted? Was anyone unhappy about that? And if you say yes, why? Anyone can answer.
No, I wasn't. I was okay. I was okay with it because this is the time whereby you need to trust the coach. I get it, he's assigned to do the job, so he knows what he's doing. So I was like, okay, you know what? As much as I don't understand the sub now, because I thought, Tito, I think last week, Sundowns it's about Tito. But when he took him off, I was like, okay, maybe this is just a game plan, of which Tito, he didn't sulk, he was okay after Bamonsa. And I was like, okay, at least the boy wasn't sulking Abamonsa. So I was like, okay, no, it's fine. Let's see what happens. So it worked out.
Yeah, no. I think I can't ask any more else about that. All right. So our verdict is Pirates were the better team on Saturday, only in the second half. Do you agree or not? Tsepo? Was Pirates the better team in the second half, or Pirates was better the whole game?
Second half, Pirates was better, was more mobile, was more pushing, was more trouble, was causing a lot of the whole didn't mistake it's one Sundowns. So I would give it more second half was more dangerous.
All right, let's check individual brilliance. Let's start with China. China, how much would you give China out of 10, Bratemba? We're now goalkeeper, you should know this. China, how many out of 10?
I don't know if I'm gonna be biased, but 11 out of 10.
Or 11? Okay. And then Williams?
11 out of 10.
Williams?
Good performance. Williams, he didn't have anything to do up until Pirates is start out like a second half, of which 6 would do. First half, Nasa it's next snake it's a fella, let's say Paulo fella. So 6 ikaba right for him.
Yo, okay. Let's see, Bratsepo, Divine Lunga, John Hoto, Bafabkai.
Lunga, I would give him, just to be honest and fair, I would give him 8 out of 10. And then Hoto, he was a problem. I would give him 9.
Okay, let's continue. Donald, between Sibili Bailey and Kimang Red Begachi, yes, I know. Malo, Nilma, Mupuzing. Was at the back?
Yeah, Mpunzeni, yeah.
Yeah, and Twin, Kimam Dunyelo. Yeah.
Yeah, and then Yannick, Nailoring Yawa, or a Lugile or Lande, no our mistake would really.
Man,
Iraiba,
Dunyelo.
or Barkima,
Dunyelo.
Dunyelo.
Yeah, Dunyelo, yeah. My thinking, I'm Panama.
That's good. Yeah.
I get 50 Sundowns, if you are Pirates, then in Gamufana, Falula, no one mistake would really in Calas Minutes. Why one? Yeah, Napata, we are looking. Why one? All over Overland, Sonaga, the Pirates of Overland, teaming willing way, Sanchita, the Pirates for now, Eslombo, Sani, Bunda,
Tepas Green,
Battery Striker 2. Our Pirates of Overland need to go defensive. Aina experience.
All right.
That's unobalore experience onyake muthulo re khale araluka muthu mo holonyana phela bo barikmang mfano wa Pirates barikmang TLB we bona ya mbokazi unoba anali plan nyana but asitaba ro unothusha ku rona le plan ona le matla we bona but experience ha yona ka re yena le siema aba go lo communicate pile we bona mara SBC a le gona then o ba ka one ka re o ne le Pirates ya dutla Hoto o khona go tshwara bolo a tsamaye ka yona mara final pass ya hae e ba bet
What I also wanted to know was people are saying Hoto's performance has dropped but Kutle Bratsepo Mufa 9 are never for problem. Does anyone agree with Ntwena was a problem? Hoto was a problem. Does anyone agree? Or Hoto was a problem?
Yeah, you know no problem. No problem baba mthethwa yena ibile 9 o ka re ke ntshi ne tshwantse a mo fe 5 baba mthethwa then no drop ile too much no why bo drop ile too much ora re tshwantse ba ne ba mo fa a khutsenyana ba mo nyakele o mongwe le re tla mo thusa o raloka go mora wa pallwa shemo wa lapa le yena a ka dlale di game tsa Pirates tsotlhe phela season o gona raloka season ka ofela Tienoto a sa khutse.
True that, good man. No, I agree. Between Kekana and Kimang Fanu? Siema. Yeah, Kekana and Siema, Bafabkai.
Siema at least Kemufa 80 and Kekana an hour, Kemufa 5.
Okay, Arfit he Rike Hun Tati Shaya Dumel.
dumelang ka moka mo paneleng.
Thobela go shempushang la tsogana Kgošiaka.
A ra tsoa ra lena.
No, bona, tle matla. Mpolella butu, no shebile game ya Sundowns le Pirates?
Ne ke shebile haholo.
All right, ha re shebe tjena
Ka
he.
full 90.
Thank you. Rate di players tsa game eo. Ke batla wena o tlo mpolella hore na between Mbokazi le Phyllis. Phyllis akere? O ba fa bokae out of 10 each, Mbokazi le Phyllis. O ba fa bokae?
Mbokazi guys Mbokazi o tletse whole 90 ka moka ke mo fa 100/10 because like o kgonne.
All right, yeah. And then Phyllis akere? O wa Sundowns.
Like Cupido.
Oh, Cupido.
Like Cupido.
Yeah. Cupido, yeah.
Thank you, Frank. But then yena o slow. But yena o slow nyana la ntho. And like ba mo phirile le ke kana o slow, so like a ba khono o function a sharp la ntho. So yena ke mo rate 6.
Bare
6 out of 10.
Bare no 100/10 icon e serious. Tanki Khomotso lwena Sir Frank le Bongani ka le bua holo ka thu. Right, ntse ke le ho wena ke so tsamaya ntate Shaya. Then rinka Tito Maswangae and Jaden Adams. Wa fa kae?
Adam Special jo Adam Special ke 9, but then Tito no so performance is low too much cause like abile a khonlo maka and meroko ne lo udiang o tsalla Mokoena ne a sa khono o dia assignment e botse la ntho. So mo lo re ba bile ba khona lo montsha ke ba fa ka mofokeng se 10 to play those short passes cause ba tseba lo re le sebelebele a tla ko wingeng o dangerous ka pace le bone o thomile ba seno musha ko wingeng a thoma ba fa pressure ba lo re ke la reng no sna motho o felletsa dintu di pass tsa a betha di squaring cause na betha di square back, so and then ba re mang ntwe ne ba motswaletse ba le 2 ne ba makile mo magopa ba le 2 ba re mang ke kana le Cupido, so like yeah
Ummitsa mna re ke Cupido. Ompolae o re ke ma ke Cupido. Thank you ke le wa Shaya. Thank you. O kae Shaya?
she
o kae? O kae South Africa?
Mokopane lady.
Oh, ke a tseba Mokopane.
Limpopo.
Ke a tseba Mokopane ke a bona. Ke tseba Mabuela Mokopane. Yeah. Ntho ngwa ba tla botsana ntate Shakini o coach ya bolo kapa o rata bolo fela?
Ke na lo assist like ke coach ke shala ku duka mara ba lo like I'm disabled, so no nga se khone re nka dlala bolo, so like ke ikwishisha ka monana, so ke na lo
ke a utlwa re utlwisisa bolo ke a utlwa. That's why I'm asking you, are you a coach or are you a player? Ke a utlwa no o tseba football le di systems tsa football o di tseba. Donald ke khutlela wena happy. A re cheke Shandu le Mokoena banka random le yano. Shandu le Mokoena, what do you think out of 10?
Yeah, Mokoena o bolla nnete ba mthethwa Mokoena mo Sundowns ba molaisha mmereko yena a bereka ngalo 1 mo midfield o ya all out di manara loka wa ibona. Then Mokoena yena wa ke mo fa 10 out of 10 ba mthethwa ene Shandu ke mo fa 9 out of 10. Ka re Shandu yena o ile o tsena then o ra re o gonne o utlwella message o tswa o coach se ya modisheng sona o ra se dire o fitlile a dira the same. That's why Pirates ne gona o pusha ya go pele wa ibona. then Sundowns yona mo a re o bolelang letao no ra loka Mokwena ene Mokwena na a lapile. That's why le no wa bona Pirates ba ka se tšee ba re ke mang Matakwena ba re ke mang fano man
Matakwena
ba re ke mang o tswa
Ke mang
ko
Matakwena?
Sekhukhune
Mape.
o tswa ko Sekhukhune ko ba re ke mang
Boot.
Hai, Donald, Emanyana.
Donald, a re lokise tabeo. Razama.
Ntate Donald.
Mona ra zama hore ske ra nyenyefatsa batho. La ebe re tseba mhlomong bofokodi ba hae. A re ba fe mabitso, a re ba nyenyefatse, a re ba gese ebile ha re ba theole moya because mona lifeng ena ne ntse re kgalema last week le beke pele fiteng hore ha re tloeleng ho hlaba batho ka mantswe because they are also human. So kopa re khutlise tabe ya hore ke Madakwena e khutlise nate ka o kopa e khutlise
yeah awa so mara ibile ya re tlo ya ke kopa tshwarelo then a ke sa e dira ibile a re tlo mo yona re
re tlo bua ka yona re bua ka Mbule the player or Mbule wetsang
yeah wa itse Mbule that's why coach ra ya Pirates e mmono hore a ka se gone o dlala 90 minutes
ra tseba kaofela
90 minutes a e go yeah that's why ba gona hore ba mme sapo then a tsene ese sub then o dira mmereko coach mo laeletse ngwana hore a o dire wa ibona then se se le ngwana go rawa yena vela coach e mmotse hore a dire selo wa se dira o dira mmereko wa hae then mo Sundowns ba shota motho o ile hore wa tsare ke aka thusha Mokwena as long bo ba re ke mango Modau a se gona ka mo right back at least ha le ona Modau ke ena gona go thusha Mokwena ka re Mokwena o gona go ya ka mo right back a ye ka mo left back o gona wa assist but for now wa tlile ka
tswela pele ntate. Hello Ronald. Ntate.
Hello
tswela pele Mamet.
ya ke re Alende mmereko mo Sundowns ntwe ba mmietseng yona Alende o tseba o tshwara bolo o tseba o phasa he o le o maka Alende a go mission o maka a go no maka Alende then ke ntwe ile hore e bola ishabo Mokwena ka eng ka mmereko mo gare
Alright
o ra re santse Sundowns e nya ke motho o mongwe o tshwana kana ba re ke mamfanola ba re ke Manali reserve ba motsentse ba ke mang
okay
ke mamfanola
e ka rona la misi ya na bongwe
yeah tshwantse Mokwena ha ke ne ba dlala le team tsa tshwana kana bo Chiefs bo Pirates ke motho o ile hore tshwantse ba motsentse a gone go thusha Mokwena ka re wa itse hore Mokwena ha ka batamela a jumper center a ba ka mola o gana go raela ka mo dipaleng wa ibona jalo Mokwena e setse ana le bo Alende a tsebo maka a ka se Alende go morao yena a tsamaya a re o gona go shootela go pele o ra hore yena Mokwena o tla a dlala defensive.
All right, how does it he?
Well.
Thank you that. Tepo Sales Atur Sales Mufabkai.
Ntate Sales ke mo fa 7.
All right, and then Apollos.
Apollos I will give him an 8.
Right. Rico Feba bang happy. Batista Makopa Ratep
Ntona le nna ntate Makopa Jovana. Hey, I'll give him a 9. He was a problem as well. Reyners, I will give him definitely a 10. He's a problem. Overtime.
All right. Matthews and Sibilibili, Kefa Bratemba.
Okay. Matthews, I'll give him 8. He played very well up until Bamonts, of which Leona Bile a beneficial factor to Pirates because the Kimo necessarily le ntwena a kgona ho tsamaya haholo ntwena Shandu.
All right. And Mbata Bratemba ke fa wena ape. Bratemba Mbata.
Yeah, ke mo fa 10. Yes. Mbata ke 10.
Oh, okay.
Ke mo fa 10.
When?
Yes, solid game. Solid game.
Master Chef ha ke na mo fa bokae?
Siponka ke tlo mo fa 6. He's still complacent. Okay, he needs to play for the team. For now, he's playing for himself. He's playing for the fans. Unaluluza the ball unnecessarily, and it's something Tamiling by Lukise Sali early because I've noticed already the past game against Ntwin Skukuni. Santa Demonsiwa. I saw he wants to prove a point, Tabapal.
Yeah.
He wants to prove a point, Tabapal, or Naka Hono Farapolo, Lekasi Inki and then they do that, they take the ball. Luckily, sometimes they foul, but he just needs to work on that. He's too complacent, so 6 for him.
Alende Babala di Bolo Komrao, just as Sundowns. Does anyone agree?
Yeah.
Does anyone agree?
That one, I agree. He's not offensive as he should be.
All right. Setsema, I feel lazy. All right, good. So, in other
Mariko.
Oh, Shakira. Yeah, Shakira. Ricky Feshaya. Shakira mfabkai.
Not to be honest, ke mo fa 7 as ke money votes. But then no no mark.
All right. Mbule. Nduli. Libeti Nduli. Yeah, box to box Nduli mfabkai. Anyone can answer.
Na sipesihle Nduli ke mo fa 10 because you are the manual like you bolo ya jalang I different o tshwana le Makaula.
Okay, thank you so much for rating all the players that played on Saturday. Another thing, Donald, Chaba Sabola Mautu sa Monday branch. Bari ko bolele hore ba tshwaretse.
Awa ke a leboa a ke sa tlo e busheletsa eo ke a
ra leboa le rona ba re ko bolele ba tshwaretse.
Thank you Bradoni.
Ska ba khathatse ba tshwa re ba kopa o khutle hape next time. Mara so tseba melao ya rona ya mona. Thank you so much Ntate. All right, let's move on to the much anticipated game ya Wednesday. Chiefs Sundowns. Chiefs le guy le teng he kana latla he ratse post stay one team wa bapala hape sentse tlo kenela Papa Mamang untolteng
ke teng ita baba Mthetho ke teng haholo o yemetse
Rasnich uteng Rasnich wal khosi untolteng
na ke le coach nyamos my president a ke le coach na ke le Buccaneer
so ntse thuletseng sa bui ha mona na ke butle pele go botsa potso ya Pirates le Sundowns ha na ke re thutse so now we met Chiefs oh okay o ntshwarela utlwa o ntshwarela o na ke re met Chiefs nda ka te we ha monna na ke re met Chiefs anyway Amplel, supporters tsa Chiefs di batlang ground nga Pirates ba pala. Ba tse senyama fela.
Ba tlo menya batho ba.
Ya ba tse senyama fela, ba batlanda.
Baba Mthethwa, tikita ya ngwale hore tshwantse ile rekwa ke batho ba Pirates. Ya rekisiwa. Rena ra reka tikiti re lo shebela bolo rona ke na re pushang economy ya South Africa la tseba le no le bonta ba go le pompo wa tsalang go tsela ba batla re to dlala kwa re pusha economy so we were pushing the economy
butle that qualified from scratch from scratch Chiefs last season were you not pushing the economy or not because Nilele 7 stadium. Let's start there first. Araba.
Neri Pusha Mara, the referees were not on our side.
Mamela he, mamela.
We want to know where it's until we keep our house in order.
Wena ro kenya sekolo sa life ina. Mona re batla go bua di referee, batla bua ball. Tloela di referee dlale ball. The players so tla dlalang ball. As wena referee di tloele. Ba etse msebetsi wa tsona. As much as the coach ba etse msebetsi wa bona, the players ba etse msebetsi wa bona. Tloela di referee ba etse msebetsi wa bona. Chiefs ne le swaka la season fella da. Tloela di referee tabeng. Ha di kene. Ke bothata ba lona le lebang.
That's true.
Right. So
that's true, Baba Mthetho.
right. They really invited a girl lo dlala polokwane ba le fa tšhelete go bidwa. Akere?
Yes.
Okay, mamela he. Last week ne le dlala ko FNB. For the first time probably in 3 seasons. Ke bona on a midweek game. FNB Stadium in a defense over 5,000 the Kaizer Chiefs on a midweek night game, which is very good for our football. Very good for our football. Mara hey, are we game here Wednesday? Pirates Sundowns. So Pirates won the game nicely, and they're going to the final the 13th of September. We don't know where it's yet against Stellenbosch. If Pirates, it can anori, it will go one of them. Stellenbosch so bad at this time. Mara, if Pirates come up the way we are in second half against Sundowns, we are Stellenbosch. Stellenbosch, it's well coached. 1, 2. Babshali, Stellenbosch, and they're determined. Haba obsessed to win, but they're ambitious win. Remember what I told you now. Stellenbosch, I'm obsessed to win a trophy, but they're ambitious to win a trophy. That could be the difference between Pirates and Stellenbosch in the final. Arfeitemo. Wednesday, Tolton, Bratsep, Plantal Nadirinta Wednesday, it's a Sundowns. Lo tlhakola madi le maqeba lo afodise ka Chiefs.
Rafeta bano ke batho ba rona bano.
Why would you say that?
Motho fela a bana goalkeeper ntate. A bana goalkeeper and the defense ya bona is not solid. It's not solid the defense ya bona. Bona ba kutsi ha ba ya pele haholo. Ke tshaba motho ya tshwanang le Lepo ha o sa motlhokomedi a ka o lematsa, because he's a very versatile player and ba mo file a free role ha o mo shebile ka mo sa le on the other side o metleleng o hotle. So ke nahana ke ena motho ka bang kutsi haholo le Ngobo ke ena moshimano mongwe ke nahanang hore ba tlamehile hore ba mo hlokomele haholo. But otherwise, bona haba solid hakalo ka morao. But I think with the coming in Takwana Zwam Pirates, ba re ke Mankana, the same Marco, the other one, Munyani. Yeah, haba ka Mukenya, probably they will make a difference because he's very solid ka morao.
Okay, Marcos. Yeah, no,
and shebile le squad sa rona pampe paska etsa phoso. I think Thapelo Morena tshwantse a fumane chance hona jwale because ke money he's back and he looks very fit. I think we need a person like that.
All right.
Ke nahana hore ka etsa phapang e kalo, yeah.
Okay, ke utlwisisa. Rasnich ke a tsao le bakania. Mara wena ya ka wena ba tla wine mang ka laboraro.
Yo.
Wakala fela hore yo.
Ana ke le sanda wana ka laboraro.
Wa ba jikela bana ba Soweto ba tshwanang le wena. O soya Pretoria wa lo jumpa Jaske River. O ya ka kwa.
Re batla go qala le kisintšha. Batho ba re minyela.
So o batla Pirates it's a catch up ka ska Wednesday le yona. Ke re ya bapala le yona.
Yeah, o bitse ke tloga e shapa yone, my president.
Raya mo, Saya mo ka teka Chiefs pe. Ha o sheba Chiefs wena players tse bona di formong at the moment ke bomang tse bona kana ba isa Sundowns. So Sundowns, honestly speaking, Sundowns ba tswana to ba etsang. Ko re fela they were unlucky on Saturday.
Munyani. Monyane the boy ula gore o starta go recover form ya gage. Then the other danger player go choose ke bona ke mfano ke Lilepo Stock Sweet. Yeah. I'm not the time. Yeah.
Okay.
Bona yena.
Chiefs le yona na le pace a ka sheba ne. Pre Lilepo ba matha kaofela. So Sundowns might still have another problem ya pace ka game ya Wednesday. So but the abana motho ba ka mmeng ka pele ba re no thibele pace ya batho ba. Maseko cannot defend attack. Divine Lunga and Mudiba ba tshwana. Cupido le ke mamfano o welcome le Busa le Kekan ba tshwana le bona ona pace da but putso gare o isa kae di defenders tena le pace when you've got the strikers tema time because your best way to defend is to attack, so rather keep attacking or avoid the turnover ball and recycle and come to you. So rather but well le batla ko wena ntse batla bona nonke ball fela attack relentlessly one way attack. But Chiefs tweke bone ka bona now they're more structured na go na bi ntsa le siyo ba le more structured, very thin Chiefs mara very structured currently ka assistant coach ya bona. There's no way na bina coach ya team ya le go Tunisia kae ka microphone a bua le Tunisia re mutla le mo emambele ka tlo dlala ka rona. So Bratemba ke eng e ka bang phapang?
Yeah. Okay. Ntho fetsang o ibua ya ore ntwena there's no need ya di defender tsena le pace. Both teams going forward banale pace. So now defensively both of them hauna pace. So I want to know di tla be di latana o a ntse turnover o le wire. So it's going to be a game of one mistake. Whoever gets a mistake, that's going to be a costly trainer airborne, downfall airborne. Because if you look at Chiefs, they have Tutuzi, of which I feel he's gaining his form. He's the two that I know from COTDC. And then you have this boy, this boy, Ngobo given a chance, he can do wonders. With those pocket passes, Ngobo is dangerous. And you have Sirino again, who's also dangerous with pocket runs and passes then my only problem they are number 9. They don't have a solid number 9. Lilapo for me is not a number 9. He's your winger.
Yeah, he's a winger.
He's a winger. Now, because Abasobile is a striker or Igadoro, maybe Gamo Bapali Sausane, Eka Wednesday, you never know. Okay. So, if they had a number 9...
has been in the country for some time, so they're trying to get him naturalized so that they can have another player, foreign player. But Veleba is ready to play. Batman is ready to play. So anything's possible.
Yeah.
Don't forget that.
So now I'm still on the tip here. Yeah, I'm still on the tip here.
TK, what a speaker.
Excuse. Uqalile nezinja.
Lo ikupa maitshwaro la ka bona gore ga ka mute ka maitshwaro.
So if they have a somebody or because they create a lot of chances. Chiefs create a lot of chances. So they just need somebody who's going to finish. They just need a box player who's going to be there and finish. Because Lilepo or Motola Kwako winning, he needs to go boxing sometimes. You don't understand or Kimango Bapalankai. So for me, it's just a game because both teams are going to be attacking each other. Mara, now we are coming. Mara, still, I want.
What?
Yeah.
What makes you believe Kaja Sundowns when Paparo?
What makes me believe that I will beat Sundowns?
Yeah.
Baba Mthethwa, if you can see from last of last season, previous season, Chiefs were not doing good, but now we can see Uri. And Nabi was cooking a really a manina out of Butswang. We are dishing for people. So his team. Scheme. If you don't understand Bulfurko Chiefs, no. If you don't play how can scheme is sharp and that's a big badge. So we are going to beat them. No feleta wound a Pirates Kadilin. Do not loom feleta. Oh, fellow Kim Sebeti. Baring Bam looks at a visa on Wednesday. So what makes me believe I'm on form. Stock Sweet was born and Sia Kopili, Sia Komrao. Mufulele visa kriki stock sweets I can say if no mufil next so made for a long time. I know when it comes to names.
Pin code 99.
Oh, pin code 99. I'm the one since Kihula Kitwa when no fang the player Mabito. I like that one. Go right and tear with that Mthethwa. Since I knew you. The Bore Agwapala Bola Kishavala TV, who's now Babam Teta. Kivela Kitwele. Because I want to hear the voice from you, Babam Mthethwa.
Thank you.
I even cried the time you were sick. Oh my God, what's happening? You understand, Babam Mthethwa? So, 9 what?
Yeah.
Ulo badrisha ko 9 abafe batla kora ba baleng teng. Now I'm on form. Akabati form ya ka Nabi I disturb. But welcome on Nabi ka 3 point. They were thinking that Nabi is back. We're gonna lose the form. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna have more power. More fire on Wednesday.
Sorry anyane Baba Mthethwa.
Yes sir.
Ke tlo tswa segale. Ne ke kopa ho bua something ho papa. Papa ro. Nabi na seo last season when the league started. La winner 2 games. A khutla Nabi. Yaba freeway. Everybody na tla tlo topa di points. So be careful. When we buang ya rena be teng, he was cooking. O tse o phea majwe motho wa asa butswing. So his assistants, the last season they did the same thing. They won the games as if. So let's hope it's not gonna be the same again. All right, ke tla le bona bosiu Ntate Mthethwa re ke tswe ke sana le lebakanyana.
Yeah, 9 o'clock sharp tonight. Siya kopoza with Baba Mthethwa and Mudise Munsiba. Thank you, Brati. Have a good day.
All right, sharp.
Thank you. Hey, TK.
Zondlula kuwe mfana kithi.
Kita le bona kasi Wednesday. Yeah.
All right, sharp.
Arbona mona. My battery, it's like so good more. All right. Okay. Are we still on? Right.
Yeah, hey.
Before we close at 2 o'clock, I just want us to look at 2 things. Chiefs have started very well with winning those 3 games and scoring goals and not conceding. Very good. Sundowns, slowly but surely, but they are wounded coming into this game. Don't you think it's going to be more difficult for Chiefs playing a wounded Sundowns? TK. What's wrong?
Ke sharp, my president. Ke sharp. Sure, for to good panel.
Sure.
I hope leave the weekend. No, that's true, man. That's true, Baba Mthethwa. It'll be a nice game. It'll be a nice game, and I could run a Bomaki, but I believe Bomaki can do a job for us. They can do a job for us indirectly. And Hagiri indirectly, Bomaki, Kebata in Nebo, Nebato Paisang, Majitako Pitori, so that they can offload more pressure on us. Because remember, for a few seasons, it's been looking like Pirates is the only people that are trying to fight Sundowns, Bonelli Stelisi. But a stronger Chiefs this season, that means it's now pressure reduced on Pirates. you are not the only one. And if that's the case, if now we get a Chiefs that can beat Sundowns, that means le rona tlamehile re itwanele re je Sundowns. So basically, it says Sundowns are now being challenged in terms of taba ya bone ya league. So as much as there's noise, as much as Barasa, I would love to see them win because I know somehow consistently bone ba tlo latla. Bone that I know. So I'm just hoping ba je Sundowns too, and then go nne le muruburunyana ko Pitori gore ba latle focus so that re ka khona go kera phatla ya go sneaker in le rona, because if we're not going to get that, it's going to be tough again to take the league ko Sundowns so gape. It's going to be another tough task, but with Chiefs in hand, I know ke nagana re ka e etsa this time.
Yeah, well, I do believe that it's going to be a tough game, but Chiefs currently with their form, I think they are somewhere up there. And imagine if we had a derby now, Pirates being so hot, winning with penalties, yes, but they're hot in the second half of their matches. All matches, second half Pirates is hot. And then playing against a Chiefs that is like resolute at the moment, wanting to make sure they win every point that is available. It would have been nice. But I think Derby Lala next year. So to Derby. Both of them are playing next year, which is something very unusual in our football. But it's okay. Maybe yet again they'll meet in the Derby, in the Carling Black Label, in the Derby again, in the Nedbank. Just like it happened in 1977, whereby they hit 8 derbies in one calendar season. Wow, that was amazing. Anyway, all right, we've just come to almost the end of our show for this afternoon. Football Brunch with Baba Mthethwa comes to an end now. We've been together for at least an hour and a half now, and I appreciate for all those who came through. And thank you very much to Omni Audio Africa for allowing us to be part of their systems here. And we're going to continue this relationship until. To my producer, Ola Seven. Abash. Thank you, sir. And thank you very much to everyone who was with us today. And see you again tonight at 9 o'clock on TikTok with Baba Mthethwa and Modise Munsiwa. Siyakopoza. It's Monday Night Football Gossip with myself, President, and Tate Munsiwa, the chairman. So we see you at 9 o'clock here. We're talking everything football. What happened in Venda? It's going to surprise you. And the cases in the Eastern Cape, still going to talk about them. And also, what's happening in the Kaizer Chiefs camp. Lot is coming. 9 o'clock sharp tonight. Siyakopoza with Baba Mthethwa and Modise Munsiwa. Everyone, thank you very much. Have a good afternoon. For those who are having lunch, enjoy your lunch. For those who are studying, go back to school now and study. Football is finished now. Okay. Thank you so much, Bratsepo, Shaya, Donald, Paparu, TK. But it's fine. Much appreciated to everyone who came through. Thank you, Thank you, Bedi. Thank you, Raru. Kelukupela mhau, lenaki kupela mhau. Sharp.